The unique structured metal wire mesh filtration material, which is also known as PM, is manufactured by cold plastic deformation. The manufacturing process creates a flexible, porous in all directions filtration material with superior mechanical, physical, and hydrodynamic properties. The PM filters are utilized in liquid and gas application and successfully integrated in the downhole pumps for pump protection. The material structure can also be adjusted for dispersion and separation applications as well. Particles which size exceed width of the filtration slots stops on the outer surface and form pre-filter layer, similar to gravel filter. Having the same total surface area, the PM filtration system has 7 times higher surface to channel area ratio and 4 times higher flow capacity comparing to widely used wedge wire screen. Structured metal wire mesh has low hydraulic resistance and does not have dead-end channels where particles can be trapped. Absence of sharp edges minimize erosive wear of the structure. The PM material is structured to create crescent-shaped slots, so particles can travel along slot without locking between wires. This minimizes particle obstruction, prevents filter cake formation, and significantly increases time between cleaning cycles or replacement. During operation, the differential pressure across filter element reduces size of the slots in the material, enhancing filtration quality. When flow stops, material relaxes and releases particles accumulated on the surface. Regeneration of the filter can be achieved by short backwash. During reverse flow, the differential pressure across filter element expands slots and particles are washed out. Regeneration efficiency of the material after backwash is more than 90%. The wire coils of the material form a flexible lattice that absorbs mechanical, thermal, and hydraulic impacts without loss of performance. The elasticity of the filtration element allows utilization of the filters in dynamic applications where shape of the filters have to change. Filter in the small curvature oil wells is one of the examples. In addition, filtration quality of the filter can be achieved or adjusted by compression of the filter element and reduction of the slot size. The filtration elements can be coated by hydro-oleophobic or hydro-oleophilic materials to enhance performance in fluid separation applications. The filters manufactured from PM material are widely used in the oil and gas industry, aerospace industry, automotive industry, and transport machine building industry. Filter element from structured metal wire mesh can be designed and formed in variety of shapes to fit desired housing and meet application requirements. The unique properties of the material are demanded by other industries as well. The PM material is used in infrared burners, vibration dampers, heat pipe wicks, and other products.